Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the meter model, firmware, and that you have utility credentials and an installer PIN. Next, power is on unless the utility told you otherwise. The device needs live power to join the network. Use your smartphone and a stable Wi-Fi signal. Open the meter app, enter the serial number, then authenticate with the PIN. Once set, wait for the meter to broadcast its setup SSID so you can proceed to the next configuration stage. You now join the meter SSID from your phone and open the official app. Do not use public networks while provisioning. Enter the utility API token and configure sampling interval, encryption type, and the reporting endpoint URL. Make sure the meter's clock syncs to NTP and the time zone matches the site. This prevents misaligned consumption data. Once the app shows successful configuration, push settings to the device and monitor the progress screen until the meter reports online and begins sending in. You finish by validating live data in the utility dashboard and performing a manual meter read to confirm accuracy. If the meter fails to send a heartbeat, reboot it, then recheck signal strength, wiring, and gateway routing. If problems persist, collect the meter logs, firmware version, error codes, and timestamps. This speeds support. One key troubleshooting tip: when intermittent connectivity occurs, swap to a known good gateway or a temporary hotspot to isolate whether the meter or the network is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.